Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams. In today's video, we're diving into the world of DeFi rewards with one of the most popular earning strategies, liquidity mining. DeFi has revolutionized finance, offering incredible opportunities to earn passive income. But with great rewards come potential risks. This video will teach you everything you need to know about liquidity mining, from what it is to how you can earn safely and efficiently. Check out the description for links to the best DeFi tools. Here's what we'll cover. 1. What is liquidity mining? 2. How it works in the DeFi ecosystem. 3. Risks and rewards of liquidity mining. For best platforms to get started, 5 tips to maximize your earnings while minimizing risks. If you want to start earning with DeFi while keeping your portfolio secure, stick around until the end. Let's jump in. Part 1. What is liquidity mining? Liquidity mining is the process of providing liquidity to decentralized finance platforms in exchange for rewards, usually in the form of tokens or a percentage of transaction fees. What is liquidity? Liquidity refers to the availability of funds in a trading pair, for example, ETH, USDT, that allows users to trade without price slippage. How does it work? You deposit tokens into a liquidity pool, and in return, you earn rewards for facilitating trades on the platform. For example, if you deposit ETH and USDT into a pool, you will receive LP liquidity provider tokens, which entitle you to a share of the pool's rewards. Part 2. How liquidity mining works in DeFi. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. 1. Choose a platform. Popular DeFi platforms like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and Balancer are great places to start. Research each platform's fees, rewards, and security measures before committing to deposit funds into a liquidity pool. Let's say you choose a trading pair like ETH, USDT. You'll need an equal value of both tokens to provide liquidity. 3. Receive LP tokens. These tokens represent your share of the pool and act as proof of your investment. For earn rewards, as users trade within the pool, you earn rewards in the form of trading fees or governance tokens like Uni, Cake, or BAO. Part 3. Risks and rewards of liquidity mining. While liquidity mining can be lucrative, it's important to understand the rewards and risks. 3 rewards. 1. Earn trading fees and governance tokens. 2. Potential for high APY annual percentage yield. 3. Participate in the growth of DeFi ecosystems. 3 risks. 1. Impermanent loss. Price fluctuations in the tokens you've deposited can reduce the value of your holdings. 2. Smart contract vulnerabilities. Ensure the platform you choose has been audited and has strong security measures in place. 3. Market volatility. Crypto is inherently volatile, and liquidity mining is no exception. Part 4. Best tools and platforms for liquidity mining. Here are some of the best tools to get started with liquidity mining. Coinstats. Use this portfolio tracker to monitor your DeFi investments. Glassnode. Gain insights into on-chain data and liquidity trends. Uniswap or PancakeSwap. Leading decentralized exchanges offering robust liquidity pools. Ellipal or Safepal wallets. Store your funds securely while interacting with DeFi platforms. For advanced users, automated trading bots like 3 can help optimize your DeFi strategies. Part 5. Tips to maximize earnings. To succeed in liquidity mining, follow these 5 tips. 1. Do your research. Understand the platform, the pool, and the associated risks. Look for projects with high security and good liquidity. To start small, if you're new to liquidity mining, start with a small deposit to get comfortable with the process. 3. Monitor impermanent loss. Use tools like TokenTax or Zen Ledger to track potential losses and ensure your rewards outweigh the risks. 4. Diversify your pools. Spread your investments across multiple pools to minimize risk. 5. Take profits regularly. Lock in gains by withdrawing rewards periodically rather than reinvesting everything. Liquidity mining is a powerful way to earn rewards in DeFi, but it's not without risks. With the right platforms, tools, and strategies, you can minimize risks while maximizing your profits. Check out the description for links to the best DeFi tools.